Hey everyone, welcome to the welcome to this channel mm, and now is now time is 5:45 and the date is 2 January 2026 and the topic is terrorism and terrorism is a biggest crime in the world and every region because of terrorism is so let's start. Mm, the term the term terrorism has its origin from the French Revolution in the late 18th century. uh, gained pro, gained popularity during the reign of US President uh, Ronald Reagan. It is a form of violence that is generally driven by political ideology, financial or religious motive. Terrorism has claimed millions of innocent lives together the world. War and terrorism has been prevalent among human from the immoral from time immemorial, but it has gained prominence in recent time because of the service atrocities associated with it. In the broadest meaning of the term terrorism is the international use of in, indiscriminate violence in the order of instill fear among the people of financial, political ideology and religious agendas. Though these is no specific accepted definition of terrorism. It is a generally associated with something which is morally wrong and is used as a weapon by both left and right wing politicians, fascist religious fanatists, and sometimes even the ruling government. The main problem with leaders someone as a terrorist is the difference in perspective to defenders or the party particular ideology. A violent act by the opposite operation um, violent act by the opposition is terrorism. Simply any act that repress of restrain the opposition in is defined as a terrorism by them. So basically it is a double edged sword. The main suffrage being the common and innocent people. Terrorism can be spread either is the form of financial group like al al Qaeda or Boko Haram and who committed heinous crime in the name of religion, or it may be in the form of individual. The lone wolf terrorist who op- operates alone and commit an act of violence in the mass scale. When political motivation becomes the primary factor of spreading terrorism, it mostly leads on violence of the mob against any ethnic and religious group without any rational and such. As such, they are mostly ir- ir- irked by some random ideologies, messages, and threats with no backing. The present scenario, the as mentioned earlier, terrorism is something the human race of always associated with from the time wars have been fought. However, with the advent of anti-terror organization, the issue has taken a front seat of recent time. The perils of terrorism have grabbed almost every country, led by the group of organizations trying to force their ideology or others. Whether it is bomb blast in the city of Karachi, Pakistan, in the city of London, it has lead to loss of innocent lives. The main motive behind these acts of violence is to instill terror into the minds of people so that they accept the pro- propaganda that they are trying to propagate. The terrorist organization like the ISIS, all Al Qaeda, Boko Haram have taken a stronghold hold the contain contain countries through they have faced higher resistance of various corner of the world. Literally, it is the responsibility of the national government in identify and the country of terrorism with minimum less of lives. The accept of individual terrorism has gained popularity in the country of the West, where a single individual causes mass terror. It is not uncommon to hear about mass shooting of school, bars, club, and other public places. Countries which are being rapid apart due to the advent of terrorism have been plugged into poverty, forcing people to vacate their homes and lands in order to save themselves and their families, leads to in case of refugees. It is true that the main initiative should come from the national government. The act of terrorism should be condemned by all. Some terrorist organizations are supported by the national government itself to counter international rivals. The spreads terrorism and should be abandoned immediately. Stop military aid to and weapon sale in order to control the number of terrorist attack. Fight from independent development of the economy of a country. Dismantle military bases of other war-stricken countries. Quick fact about terrorism: the number of victims of terrorism worldwide has increased in three three 3,329 in 2002, 32,652 in 2024, a hike by almost 80%. Five countries mostly affected by organizational terrorism are Syria, Nigeria, Afghanistan, Pakistan, and Iraq. The number of countries with more than 500 deaths due to terrorism has gone up from 5 to 11. The lone wolf attack pattern is responsible of 70% of deaths since 2006 in the Western countries. 54% of the total attacks were in the form of explosions explosions of bombing. Conclusion. Uh, un- Unfortunately, terrorism is gaining in a voice like grip grip in modern society, and acts of terror are as common as everyday news. Is appropriate steps of intervention are not taken properly, it is not far that the world gone. It is a state of choose. So start winning your war on terror. The work together to wipe out of stigma completely. Thank you. And how how my speech, how like my speech, and thank you again.